The vessel you can see working behind me is a joint service of Maersk and COSCO. She has made a maiden call. Of course, you know that Maersk is the biggest shipping line, and COSCO is the third shipping line in the world. So this vessel arrived yesterday at night, at around 01:20 when she started working, and she achieved 671 moves, third shift. This morning she has done a total of 914 moves, with a crane record of 364 moves. That is the highest which has ever been achieved here at the port of Mombasa. And of course, bearing in mind this is the time we have the COVID, where some of our staff, to be precise 240, that constitutes around 15%, are not available for work. So even with that, we have been able to achieve that record, which is commendable. She has a balance of 978 moves, which we expect to be completed today during third shift. That again will mean that the ship's turnaround will be fast. This actually is advantageous for the vessels because they cut on costs when they are able to, finish working and leave the port